Now, all you need to make the best, most delicious bourbon chicken is right here in the bottle, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Now, the first thing you wanna do is get you some chicken. Now, I'm using chicken thighs because I like them juicy, flavorful, and tender. Next, you wanna get you a real hot pan, get it oiled up. I'm using cast iron. Feel free to use whatever you like, but I wanna make a good sear on this chicken. No seasoning, no nothing. Now after about 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and flip the first side over, and you got that nice char, just like that. Now once you get all the chicken cooked, now it's time to chop it up and throw it in the sauce. Transfer it to a hot pan. Now it's when the magic happens. All you got to do is mix this up, pop that top, and watch this. Put it right in that pan. Now all you gotta let this do is sit for 5 or 10 minutes and you're ready to go. Now if you love color, you want a little spice, you can do whatever you want to do to make it perfect for your taste, but I assure you, it is unbelievably delicious, straight out the bottle. Now I like to eat with color, so I'm gonna add a few peppers in just to give the dish some color. And just like that, in 10 to 15 minutes, you have an incredible, delicious bourbon chicken dinner that you and the family are gonna love straight out the bottle. And just like that, I like to serve it over a pot of rice. And you cannot forget that sauce. And of course, this is the best part. So good.